Hi guys, welcome to my channel Saran Style. In this video we are going to see affordable makeup kit which I shopped from Amazon. So these are the product which I shopped from Amazon. We'll share the details of this product. It is very affordable. It is a total perfect makeup kit. I didn't miss anything. So let's get started with the video. So the first product is the foundation. Foundation is the most important thing in a makeup. This will be the base of the makeup, so it is very important in a makeup kit. It's from the brand called Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is how the packaging looks like. It has a applicator in it. Applicator makes the process very easy, so we don't have to take it in our hands and apply the foundation. We can use the applicator and apply the foundation on our face, then blend it. I will mention the cost, how much I bought it for, but the MRP rate is 475, but I did not buy it for 475. I got some offer in it, so I bought it around 300 rupees, I think so. Yes, it's a 25 ml product. The foundation itself has the primer, so we don't need a separate primer for this. I'm in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. So this is how the shade looks. It just blends perfectly. Next, for compact, I am recommending this product to you guys. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Compact. This is how the packaging looks like. Open. It has a mirror and a sponge and the compact. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a perfect match for my skin tone. It also blends perfectly. I'm in the shade Warm Nude, so it perfectly matches my skin tone. It says that matte plus professional foundation up to 12 hours oil control powder that fits your skin tone and texture. So it says that it will control the oil for 24 hours. I use this compact today, so yes, it does control the oil. My skin is totally in a matte finish, as you can see. And it also has the SPF around 28 PA++. If you're looking for a compact in affordable rate, so you can go for this. Next is concealer. For concealer, I got this Wet n Wild concealer. So this is how the packaging looks like. I'm in the shade P841P light to medium beige. It has an applicator. This is how the shade looks like. So if I blend it, so it blends perfectly. It says that photo focus, concealer and corrector. It conceals and corrects the dark circle. So you can, if you're looking for an affordable concealer, you can go for this Wet n Wild concealer. Then we will be moving on to the eye makeup. For eye makeup, the most important thing is eyeshadow. So I got this eyeshadow palette from the same brand called Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is the one of the most affordable makeup brand. Quality of the products are also very good, so I always keep on purchasing Wet n Wild makeup products. This palette in the shade called Comfort Zone, You can do daily wear eyeshadow and also party wear eyeshadow looks using this eyeshadow palette. It mostly has all kind of shimmer shades. It has a transition shade and a highlighting shade and two types of green, light green and dark green shimmer shade, and all kind of brown glittery shades and a blue shimmer shade. So I will show the swatches of these shades. See. Boom, this one is very good. Eye makeup product is eyeliner. So this is from Lakme Instant Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks like. It is in the matte finish. It has a applicator. See, perfect black shade. You can make simple eyeliner and a bold eyeliner looks using this eyeliner. It's a perfect affordable eyeliner. Next up, we are going to see the eyebrow product. It's from the brand called Mars Brow Palette. This is how the packaging looks like. It's so cute, right? It has dark black, light black, light brown and a dark brown, all kind of shades which can be used on the eyebrows to fill it. It has two brushes which one is to application, one is to blend. This is how the brush looks like. It is so tiny and cute. This is two black shades. One is light and dark. This is two brown shades. So today I use this eyebrow kit to fill my eyebrows. It looks quite natural, isn't it? So I would like to recommend this product to you guys. It's a best affordable brand which is Mars. So you can definitely go for this. Next, for kajal, I'm recommending this NY Bay kajal for you guys. So if you're looking for a best affordable kajal, you can definitely go for this. See, jet black kajal. It is long lasting and does not smudge. So if you are looking for a best kajal, you can go for this. So next up is mascara. This is from Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. This is one of the best mascaras you can buy. If you buy this mascara, you don't need any other mascaras because it is one of the best. It says it is waterproof and it curls the lashes. Lightly U-shaped wand. It curls the lashes and also coats the lashes very well. I would like to buy the waterproof variant. It also has the non-waterproof. If you want to buy that, you can also go for it. Next is highlighter, contour and blush. For that, I have bought this palette from Sugar. It has contour, blush and highlighter. The palette is in the shade called 01. So it has these. It has the contour, highlight and blush. Now I will show the swatches for you guys. This is the contour shade. This is the contour shade. This is the highlighting shade. And this is the blush. Not a pink blush, it's a coral kind of a blush. And the highlighter is in the shade of a champagne golden color shade. If you're my skin tone, this highlighter will definitely match for you guys. If you're a little bit undertone, you can go for the other palettes from the same brand. Last and the most important thing in the makeup, we cannot complete the makeup without a lipstick. So I have this affordable NY Bay lipstick it's in the shade called 01 Peppy Pearson. So this is a beautiful corally nude pink shade. I have wear this shade today. This is how it looks. It is quite affordable. So that's it guys, the makeup kit is completed. These are the product which I shared with you guys. If you want more affordable makeup kit, let me know in the comments. I will definitely make that also for you guys. All this product link will be given in the description, so don't forget to check it out. If you want to buy this product, you can check out the descriptions link. I also have a MyAll store link. If you click that link, all product details and the price of the product will be given in the same place. It will make you guys easy to shop from the MyAll store link. So definitely don't forget to check out that link. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you guys in next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.